Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Solution 76. Today I'm super excited because I'm bringing you the brand new December update working codes for Roblox The Forge. And trust me, these codes are stronger than ever. The developers just dropped the December winter update, and it comes with a brand new frozen battleground map, exclusive mythic weapon skins, limited time forge challenges, massive energy crystal rewards, special enhancement boost items, so you definitely don't want to miss any of today's codes. Some of these codes might expire at any moment, and yes, there is a secret December code hidden inside this video. So don't even think about skipping. Want to join the giveaway? Just drop your Roblox username in the comments. If any code doesn't work, comment your username again. I'll personally help you fix it. And of course, smash that like button, subscribe to Easy Solution 76, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss fresh new codes. We always upload the latest codes for your favorite Roblox games like Blox Fruits, Dress to Impress, and The Forge, so you're always ahead of everyone else. In this December update, some of the codes will give you free energy crystals, power boosts premium weapon cosmetics, exclusive holiday items. A few of them are secret or hidden. Only sharp-eyed viewers will catch them. Just imagine exploring the icy forge world, upgrading your weapons, collecting crystals, completing challenges, and suddenly discovering a super rare December secret code that no one else knows about. Sounds epic, right? So get ready, grab your notepad, and let's jump straight into the latest, most powerful December update working codes for Roblox The Forge, right here on Easy Solution 76.